Hey friends, if you wish to clear Windows search history and remove recent activities from your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on search permissions. Scroll down and there's a column for history. Now obviously you can change the permission, you can deactivate history on your system so that it doesn't keep a log of your Windows search history. But if you wish to clear the logs that already exist, simply click on this button, clear device search history, and it will delete the device search history. Okay, this will only work when it's on, and after that you can switch it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.